Bugungi darsimizda dangasalar uchun Cambridge 14 test 4 va listening analizini davom ettiramiz. Nimaga dangasalar uchun deganim sababi, chunki bizda hozir listening darslarimiz полностью tayyor bo'lgan, reading darslarimiz ham tayyor bo'lgan, lekin shunga qaramasdan, listening reading darslarimiz tayyor bo'lganiga qaramasdan, kechagi mock rezultatlar mana darsda o'zimizda o'quvchilar bilmayman nima bo'lgan bularga 4,5 listening, 5,5 reading, 4,5 5 listening, 3,5 reading. Voy baraka topinglar. O'sha narsani masalan o'zimiz qilgan video masalan Cambridge 6 dan 16 gacha qilgan bo'lsak, hammasi qilingan. 180 ta, 180 general trainingdan qilingan. 180 ta video shuni ochib qo'yganmiz. Cambridge 16 danmi, Cambridge 12 danmi oldi testni 4,5. Nima deb tushunish kerakmi? Nima deb tushunish kerak? Bu tushunmayman-da qisqasi. 180 ta videoni nechta 15 minutdan bo'ladigan bo'lsa, necha minut bo'ladi? 180 minut bo'lsa, 1800 minut bo'lsa, 5 yana 900 minut, 2700 minutni 2700 ni 24 ga bo'lishimiz kerak. Hozir 24 ni bo'lga bo'lsak, 10 kunda qisqasi masalan 2 haftalik vaqtni bir oyda tugatsa bo'ladi. Hamma videolarni shunday bir oyda tugatib, o'rganib chiqsa bo'ladi readingni. Masalan, readingni 7+ qilish uchun. Tushunmayman, to'g'risi nima qilishga tushunmayman. Qanaqa qilib bularni odam qilishga, qanaqa qilib ko'tarishga umuman boshim qotib qolgan. Bilmayman nima qilishga, bularni urish kerakmi? Bilmayman nima qilish kerak. To'g'risi depressiyaga tushib qoldim. Yo'q, shuncha video bor, shuncha harakat qilyapmiz. Bularni odam bo'lsin deb, lekin bir tiyinlik foydasi yo'q. Tushunmayman qisqasi. Bilmayman nima qilishga, dangasa, juda ham dangasa, bilmayman. Fine, whatever. Like boshlaylik, one word or a number. Shuni analizini qilaylik, birga bo'lib ko'ramiz. Inquiry about booking hotel from event. Yo'q, bilmayman nima qilish kerak. Motivatsiyam yemaydi bularga. Bilmayman, bo'ldi, tamom. Hayot ko'rsatib qo'yar, hayot odam qilar bularni. Andrew is the event manager ekan. Roomlarga qaraymiz, Adelphi room bor ekan, Carlton room bor ekan, options, master of ceremonies, accommodationlar berishar ekan sizga qisqasi. Mayli, ko'ramiz. Demak, boshlaymiz. Number of people who can sit down to eat bu 1. 75 bo'lishi mumkin, 100 bo'lishi mumkin, 100 million bo'lishi mumkin. Ko'ramiz. Can go out and see in pots on terrace. Demak, pot degani tuvay degani. Tuvayda nima ko'rish mumkin? Gul ko'rish mumkin. Some kind of roses bo'lishi mumkin. Yana qanaqa gul turlarini bilasizlar. O'shanaqa tur bo'lishi mumkin. Gul bo'lish ehtimoli juda ham katta. Terrace has a view of a group of group of nimanidir viewsi bor ekan. Nima bo'lishi mumkin? Island bo'lishi mumkin, river bo'lishi mumkin. Group of river bo'lmaydi, birga yaqin river bo'lmaydi. Tree bo'lishi mumkin, shunaqa narsa bo'lishi mumkin, lake bo'lishi mumkin. Shunaqa narsalar bo'ladi. Qanaqadir place bo'lishi aniq. Number of people who can with 210 has a nimasidir bor ekan. Has a plane. Unaqa plane bo'lmaydi. Kitchen bo'lishi mumkin, shunaqa narsa bo'lishi mumkin. View of the lake. Siz lake bo'lmas ekan, mana bu 3-savolga javob. O'z ko'rgangizda analiz qilish orqali ham bir nimadir topa olish mumkin-da. Javoblarni topish ehtimoli juda ham katta. Nima kutilayotganingizdan topish ehtimoli katta. Mana bu qanaqadir facility bo'ladi, udobsa bo'ladi. Hatto lake bo'lmaydi, lake o'xshagan narsa bo'ladi, ko'cha narsasi bo'ladi. Xo'p, master of ceremonies nima qilish mumkin? Can give a while people are eating. Odamlar ovqatlanayotgan vaqtda nimadir berish mumkin. Nima qiladi? Speech berish mumkin masalan. Presentation berish mumkin. Will provide if there are problem bo'lsa nimadir berish mumkin sizga. Muammo suggestion berib turish mumkin. Nima berish mumkin, problema bo'ladigan bo'lsa. In a hotel rooms or hotel roomlarda turishingiz mumkin yoki qayerdadir turishingiz mumkin accommodationda. Xo'p, shuni hal qilib olaylik, keyin gaplashamiz qolgan.
Test 4. You will hear a number of different recordings and you will have to answer questions on what you hear. There will be time for you to read the instructions and questions, and you will have a chance to check your work.
Done.
First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 7.
1 to 7. Bir minutda. Depressiya bu. Landa bo'ladi.
You will see that there is an example that has this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Let's go.
Good morning, Clare House Hotel. Andrew speaking. I'm the events manager.
Andrew is the event.
Wow.
Clare House Hotel. Andrew speaking. I'm the events manager.
Yaxshi.
Good morning, Andrew. My name's Samantha. I'm arranging a party for my parents' 50th wedding anniversary, and I'm ringing to ask about hiring a room sometime next September. Also, my parents and several of the guests will need accommodation.
Okay, I'm sure we can help you with that. Will you be having a sit-down meal or a buffet?
Probably a sit-down.
And do you know how many people there'll be?
Around 80, I think.
Well, we have 2 rooms that can hold that number. One is the Adelphi room. That can seat 85, or hold over 100 if people are standing for a buffet.
Right.
If you have live music, there's room.
Shut up. Qisqasi 85 dedi. Agar stand up for buffet bo'lsa 100 gacha dedi. Sit down bo'ladi, 85 bo'ladi javob. Aytib yozilgan. So there are 2 rooms that what the hell, man? Seriously, what the hell is this? Bundan ham kattalashtirish ilojim hech aytmas. Qisqasi mana there are 2 rooms that hold the number. Adelphi room dedi 85 dedi. Hold over 100 if people are standing dedi. Tikka tursa 100 taga 100 ta ham odamni ham oladi. 100 ni ham oladi. 100 dan ham ko'p oladi dedi. Agar o'tiradigan bo'lsa 85 dedi qisqasi.
4 or 5 musicians in the gallery. Overlooking the room. Our guests usually appreciate the fact that the music can be loud enough for dancing, but not too loud for conversation.
Yes, I really don't like it when you can't talk.
Exactly. Now, the Adelphi room is at the back of the hotel, and there are French windows leading out onto the terrace. This has a beautiful display of pots of roses at that time of the year.
Pots of roses so'z ko'rganda javob roses bo'ladi-da qisqasi. Pot degan so'zni ko'rsangiz to'g'rida javobni topishingiz aniqda. Chunki pot degan to'y degan. To'yda nima bo'ladi? To'yda gul bo'ladi-da, nima bo'ladi boshqa? Qisqasi exactly Adelphi room, beautiful display of pots of roses at the time of the year. Bo'ldi javob.
Which direction does it face?
Southwest. So that side of the hotel gets the sun in the afternoon and early evening.
Very nice.
From the terrace, you can see the area of trees within the grounds of the hotel. Or you can
Group of trees dedi.
stroll through there to the river.
Group of trees dedi qisqasi. O'sha treelardan o'tib qolsang riverga borasan dedi. Trees. Oh, very nice. From the terrace you can see the areas of trees with the ground of hotel. You can stroll there through the river, man. To the river. Through there to the river. Tamam.
That's on the far side, so it isn't visible from the hotel.
Okay.
Then another option is the Carlton room. This is a bit bigger. It can hold up to 110 people, and it has the advantage of a stage, which is useful.
Has the advantage of a stage. Stage bor ekan qisqasi. Stage. Kerak boshqasi, kerak emas menga boshqasi. Xo'p, 110 people, it has the advantage of a stage. Mana stage bor dedi.
If you have any entertainment, or indeed a small band can fit onto it.
And can you go outside from the room?
No, the Carlton room is on the first floor, but on one side the windows look out onto the lake.
Lovely. I think either of those rooms would be suitable.
Can I tell you about some of the options we offer in addition?
Please do.
As well as a meal, you can have an MC, a master of ceremonies, who'll be with you
MC.
throughout the party.
What exactly is the MC's function? I suppose they make a speech during the meal if we need one, do they?
That's right. All our
Speech berar ekan qisqasi. During the meal. O'tda yeb o'tiradi, o'tda gaplashib o'tiradi, gapirib o'tiradi. G'alatilik.
MCs are trained as public speakers, so they can easily get people's attention. Many guests are glad to have someone who can make themselves heard above the chatter, and they're also your support. goes wrong, the MC will deal with it, so you can relax.
Provide support ekan, support berar ekan sizga. Yordam berar ekan. Support, will provide support. Xo'p, qayoqdan oldik bu supportni? Xo'p, qayoqdan oldik? Xo'p, as a meal, you can have an MC, master of ceremonies will be used throughout the party. What's exactly is an MC's function? Suppose they make a speech during the meal if we need one, do they? That's right. All our MCs are trained as public speakers, and I'm so hard about the chatters. They're also your support. If anything goes wrong, MCs will deal with it. You can relax. Support bullet.
Great. I'll need to ask you about food, but something else that's important is accommodation. You obviously have rooms in the hotel, but do you also have any other accommodation? Like cabins, for example?
Yes, there are
Cabining bormi dedi? Yes, there are 5 debdi. Cabins bo'ladi.
in the grounds, all self-contained.
Bo'ldi. Cabins bor ekan. Hop, you obviously have rooms in the hotel. Yaxshi. Do you have also any other accommodation like cabins? Yes, there are 5 in the ground, so all self-contained. Self-contained degani o'zida hamma narsasi bor degani. They each sleep 2 or 4 people, have their own living room, bathroom and kitchen. Size cabins bo'ladi javob. Keyingisi outdoor swimming pool, gym and tennis courts included in the cost. Available at extra charge, not available. Vashi umuman yo'q. Ortiqcha qo'shimcha pul to'lasang bor yoki o'sha hiringni ichida turibdi. Boshladik.
They each sleep 2 to 4 people and have their own living room, bathroom and small kitchen.
That sounds perfect for what we'll need.
Before you hear the rest of the you have some time to...
Now, you have various facilities, don't you? Are they all included in the price of hiring the room? The pool, for instance?
Normally, you'd be able to use it, but it'll be closed throughout September for refurbishment, I'm afraid. The gym will be available.
Hop, normally dedi, you can use it. Gym will be available dedi. Hop.
Though, at no extra charge.
At no extra charge dedi. Bu A bo'ladi. O'z ko'rganingizdek, pool ishlatsak bo'ladimi? Ha, bemalol ishlatsang bo'ladi, lekin hozir closed dedi. September uchun closed dedi mana. Hiring room, the pool first. Now, you have various facilities, don't you? And are they all included in the price of hiring a room? The pool, for instance, swimming pool so'radi. Normally you'd be able to use it, ishlatsang bo'ladi, but it will be closed through September for refurbishment. Remont uchun September yopib qo'yganmiz. I'm afraid. Uzr so'rayman dedi. The gym will be available so at no extra charge. Qo'shimcha to'lov qilishing kerak emas, gymni available qilib qo'yamiz dedi. Sorry. Bo'ldi, demak, seni tennis kortda o'qib o'tirishim kerak emas. Prosta bu, damn it. B bo'ladi mana bu. Qisqasi javob bo'ldi. O'qib o'tirishim kerak emas, eshitib o'tirishim kerak emas, chunki har bittasi ishlatirish kerak.
It's open all day from 6 in the morning until midnight.
Right.
And the tennis courts, but there is a small additional payment for those.
Tennis courts, but there is some additional payment for those tennis courts, but there is an additional small payment for that. Bo'ldi, shu bilan bu qism ham o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Ko'rgan bo'lsanglar, hamma savollarga javoblarni berdik, underline ham qildik, circle ham qildik. Kerakli so'zlarni prosta o'qib olinglar, tarjima qilib olinglar, yodlab olinglar. Shu bilan baraka topib ketasizlar agar mehnat qiladigan bo'lsanglar. Keyingisiga o'tamiz. Section 2, 11 to 16, matching information.